why your business is invisible to ChatGPT, and how to fix it. Did you know your business might be invisible to ChatGPT? Today, customers are asking AI tools who the best local companies are before they ever visit a website. And AI does not rank pages the way Google does. It recommends businesses it clearly understands and trusts. The problem is most websites were built for people, not for AI. They are missing structure, schema data, and emerging signals like LLMs.text that help AI interpret what a business does and who it serves. Without that machine-readable clarity, AI simply chooses competitors it understands better. At Advertising is Simple, we help businesses become AI visible through schema, entity definition, and AI-ready website structure. Because the future of search is not links, it is answers. And the businesses AI understands are the businesses customers find first.